take the next right, please. Right and left. No. Stop now a second. Stop now a second. These two are turning. I'm going to try and let the red one out. Good. Because we couldn't have gone anyway. Do you understand?
Yeah.
And stop a second again. Again, if these are turning, now we can go. This one was still waiting? Yeah, good. Go on then. Off you go. Make sense?
Yeah.
Good. Good. It's quite complicated of what I just got you to do, but try and think of the scenario. We were waiting for these cars coming towards us to turn. We could not go. Therefore, think about what I got you to do. Just hold back and let someone out who could go, who wasn't being affected by those turning. Yeah?